everyone, this is Joanne. Welcome to Bramble Fox Layout. I'm excited about this layout. It's going to be super cool. Scrapping a picture of my niece and my great niece, and it's got the orange and the navy, so I'm excited about that. I found the colors in some Hip Kit Club collection. This navy paper is from random stash, but it's all of this is Hip Kit Club, and of course tons of Bramble Fox. I'm going to show that to you when I use it. So let me just show you what I did. Here we go, and then this, and then this, and then these two circles. It's got stitching, cool. And I am going to use these two stamps. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I did yellow, orange, blue, yellow, orange. And I'm just gonna put these together super quick. All right, we have those together now, and what I am thinking is to put the photo like in the middle of the page, sort of. I might offset it a little bit. I'm not sure. Let's see once we get this designed. Okay, and I did back the paper with the same navy, but then a rainbow paper, which is so pretty. Something like that. And then these are fussy cut from one of the pattern papers. So putting this in there like that. And I want the circles to touch the flower so it looks like it's all connected, okay? I'm not sure exactly where I want my circles just yet. So I'm going to tuck this in there, bring that down so those are touching like that. Maybe up a little bit more. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glue all of this together up so I can lift it and then do some mixed media behind it. So I'll put the glue on the top like so. And I do have my photo on Fun Foam, adhesive backed foam, so I can raise that up and give it a little bit of dimension. And there's a little paper coming off that. Okay, all right, I think that's good. So let me glue this to that so they stay together. Little glue. I'm gonna pick that up quick because I don't want it to get on anything. Okay, and then here we go. Gluing this one, making a mess. Okay, and then I'm not gluing the circle to the photo because of the Fun Foam, and you still need to take the adhesive backing off that. And I'm not going to do that until I'm 100% ready, because this new adhesive that I bought on Amazon, like once you put it down, you are not getting it back up. Not happening. Nope. So this is sort of the way things are going to go, just like this. And I'm going to use this awesome Love Photo perspective. I could not ask for a more perfect perspective for my photo, and the colors, it's amazing. I love it. So it's so simple. You can put some florals, couple circles. This is a 3-layered circle, and I did opposite colors just to give it a little something. I'm going to put in all these metal die leaves that I cut in this great lime green that matches the florals, but we'll do that later, and I have a lot more Bramble Fox coming too. But I want to put a little bit of mixed media. I don't want to do a lot, and I'm just going to draw around. I don't want it everywhere, so I just want it here, and I want it here. So hold down and then draw a line, and I'm going to draw the line underneath so I don't have to erase it. And hopefully that came out. Okay, so these are all stuck together now. Okay, so I know I have to put my mixed media here and here. And all I'm going to do is take my shimmer paints. I have orange sugar and In the Navy, perfect colors for this layout, and I'm going to put it on the outside here with these Hip Kit Club stamps very lightly. I'm going to take the paint. I'm just going to put a little bit right on the stamp like so. Okay. And I'm going to speed this up. Let's start embellishing now. I'll get these pieces out and my bramble fox. Let's get these down first. I have this very large leaf, which is so pretty. So I want to put it right in there, like that. And then let's do this. Get these over there. And then put this in there, because when I put my title here, Love Photo from Bramble Fox, I want this to come down towards the title so it all is connected to each other like a nice big cluster. All right, so there's that. And I cut 4 of these. Don't know if I'm going to use all 4, but if not, we'll just save it for the next time. Put one there. Oops, I have that upside down. Let's see, that there, and then I have room for this here. Let's see what that looks like. I think that might be too much. I'm going to save these. No reason we can't use them on another layout. The rest of the Bramble Fox we have, this is like a wood piece. It says Sweet Memories. It's got some stitching. I will link all of these Bramble Fox pieces below. I was thinking about putting this right there on the photo, putting that there. Then I've got a few things from the paper snips. I found some orange things. I went through the paper snips and found some. I was so excited. Put this tab pointing down below here, just sticking to my finger, probably from the glue. That right about there. And then what's this? This says Today. Love that. Looks good. And then this one says Get Together. And I was thinking about just tucking it in over here. Where can I put it? Right about there. Let's see if that looks good. Sure does. Let's go ahead and do that. Sometimes I pop these up on a little bit of foam, but I don't think this one needs it. So let's make sure that I got this so I can still read it. And it looks good, and it's straight. Little foam adhesive on the back of that. Bring that to the same height as the wood piece and the Bramble Fox. And now I think I'm ready to go ahead and adhere my title, but I'm going to use glossy accents. But before I do that, let me show you the rest of what I'm going to do. There's these awesome chevron arrows that are in the shop, I should say, if I could find my words. And I was going to do this. How cool, right? And then let's do another one this way. Maybe over a little bit more. Let's see about the placement of that. Nope. Gotta do this. Yeah, something like that. And then up here, I'm wondering if I should go this way, because that's facing this way and that's facing that way. So we could go ahead and do 2 large ones and 1 small one up here. I don't want them too close. Yep, cute. Then I have little hearts from Bramble Fox, and the little hearts come in all kinds of different colors, and I happen to have found some of these nice navy ones in my stash. So let's see, you can use either side on the hearts if you find the ones that have where it's a little bit bigger on one side and smaller on the other side. There's that one, and then I think we need some over here. So let's do this and maybe this. I'm not sure about the placement of those. I'm not really digging that. Let's see. Okay, that's a little bit better over here like that. I do have a epoxy flare button from a paper snip as well. I don't know where I want to put it. It might look good right there. It says Adventure Time. It has the blue and the orange, so I kind of feel like I need to use it because it's so perfect. Okay, so I have all of that glued down, and then to bring in some more wood, they had these wood veneer flowers. I love them. They're so cool. I like that they're on acetate because then you can pick what you want to use. I'm wondering if that will look cute. Just because they're outdoors, bring in some stuff to match that. Put that there, and because this is on foam, that does give me the opportunity to be able to tuck some of these leaves in there. I do not know where I want them though, so let's look. Lifting up a little bit here. Oh, that's a little bit too much on that side. What about here? Maybe like that. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Let's do that, because then it's away from the floral cluster, but I do like bringing in some wood pieces. Yeah. All right. Cute. That way we have some wood everywhere. All right, I'm done with those. I do have some enamel dots. This kit didn't come with any. I got some out of my stash. I thought this orange and this navy was pretty perfect. Let me see here. Oh, I got it off without the little pieces in between the E and the O. Hello today. I'm doing it. Using up my stuff, and then this set together. I wonder, can I get this right here? Maybe here. Yeah, I'm good with that. And then what else did I want? I wanted the butterfly. And where shall we put this pretty little thing? I wonder if it looks good on top of the flower. No, I really don't think that it does. So let's see. Right there's cute. Let me use some glue because of the mixed media. Probably too much glue, but I'm just gonna put this pretty little puffy butterfly right there. And then I think we're done with that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put enamel dots down. I don't know where though, but I think I really need them. My friends, I am all done. You saw me put some extra splatters and a little bit more color up here. It just seemed a little plain. I did put an enamel dot in the middle of the wood flowers. I thought it needed it. Here are some Kolosovs. I'm not crazy about that. I might move that. But the chevrons, they come in light blue as well from Bramble Fox. I will link it below. Hearts, paper snips, the wood pieces, this awesome love photo, some more chevrons, and there you go, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and check out my channel and the Bramble Fox YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. I will link everything below, and I will put close-ups at the end for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.